Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming
Putting
guy.
basic.
In today's video guys, I want to show you how to enable dark mode on TikTok. So guys, this is actually a new update on the TikTok app. We have been waiting for this update to arrive on TikTok, and here it is. It's very cool to use. Now guys, let's get started. Now if you want to use this feature, all you have to do is open your TikTok app, head to your profile. Now once you head to your profile, just like this, click on the three lines at the top right corner, go to settings and privacy. Now once you're right here on your settings and privacy, if you want to use this, you just have to scroll down and you will find the dark mode feature right here. It's actually new, so click on that. Now once you click on that, then you get the light and the dark mode option. So go ahead and select the dark mode option. Now go back and you notice you're now using the dark mode appearance on the TikTok app. So guys, this is how you can use it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching.